Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Canton from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you the Stonebridge company architectural detail template, okay? You can see this is actually how the template looks like. You have the cover page, okay? This is the drawing index, showing you the sites plan. These are the floor plans, these are the elevations, okay? This is the roof plan, the cross sections, doors and windows schedules, okay? Then here, this is your inspection chamber, okay? So you can see this is exactly how the template, it works the magic just like the way you have your structural template as well, okay? So all you need to do is just to copy a drawing from, maybe you have generated your drawing using either Revit or using ArchiCAD or using SketchUp or whatever software that you must have used in generating your detailed drawing. You can actually just copy those drawings and paste inside your template, your architectural template, okay? It's as simple as that, and then it takes the property of the existing template that we have here. As you can see from this, our architectural template, if you switch to Stonebridge, sorry, it's loading in the background. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of drawings that I have generated here. Some of these drawings were generated from ArchiCAD. Some of them were generated from SketchUp. There is one of these I did with ArchiCAD. Let me look for that drawing. It's not this. Yes, this is the drawing. Like this, I generated this from ArchiCAD. So if I copy with base point, let's say I highlight this drawing, let me highlight the floor plan and the elevation. Sorry. Copy, not cut. So I'll just find somewhere by the side and paste this drawing here. So you can use this the template here as a guide for you to know the proper way to arrange your detailing in the right way to actually arrange your detailed drawings, okay? So this is the template. You can actually get it for a token, okay? All you need to do is just to, you can DM me on WhatsApp or you can call me, okay? If you love what you are seeing, make sure you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, is 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight, okay? We have covered architectural designs, mechanical and electrical service drawings, structural designs, and water, road designs. All of them, they are very much available on our channel. Just go down below the description of this video, you find the link to that channel. Make sure you visit the channel to keep yourself busy, okay? make sure you stay safe, stay blessed.